The Tobacco and the Devil by Akutagawa Ryunosuke. The devil disguises himself as a monk, accompanying Francis Xavier and travels to Japan. The devil attempts to tempt people in Japan, but since Christianity has not taken root, he finds no targets and decides to take up gardening out of boredom. The devil sows seeds he brought from the west, and unfamiliar plants begin to sprout. A cattle merchant becomes intrigued by the plant, and the devil proposes again to guess its name. The devil sets a condition that if he loses, he will take the merchant's soul, and the merchant accepts the challenge. Unaware of the devil's true nature, the merchant scrambles to uncover the plant's name before the deadline. Eventually, the merchant overhears the devil, carelessly revealing the name tobacco. The merchant guesses the name correctly, defeating the devil, who surrenders all the crops in the field. The devil is banished from Japan upon Francis Xavier's return, but tobacco spreads across the country. The story concludes with a note, expressing regret over the scant records of the devil's whereabouts.
The Tobacco and the Devil is a short story by Akutagawa Ryunosuke, full of humor and irony, woven with a satirical perspective on the devil's comical actions and the weaknesses of humans. It explores the clash between Christian and Japanese values, and through the notion that not everything from the West is inherently good, it critiques the moral implications of Western culture's introduction to Japan. Using tobacco, a symbol of temptation, Western culture, and human desire, as its central motif, the story highlights the blurred boundaries between good and evil, as well as how human weakness allows the devil's schemes to succeed. The ironic conclusion, in which the devil fails in his attempts at temptation but still succeeds in spreading tobacco, suggests that human victories are not always pure and offers profound insights. Akutagawa's unique writing style, humorous expression, and objective narration not only entertain but also prompt readers to reflect on universal themes such as human desires, weaknesses, and encounters with foreign cultures.